comments in JavaScript. Comments are ignored by JavaScript and are not executed, but it is a good practice to write nodes as comments, which will describe the function of the block of code you wrote. It will help you and others who need to figure out or change the code later. JavaScript uses two types of comments: single line comment and multi-line comment. Single line comment. We can use double slash to write a single line comment. JavaScript ignores rest of the code written on the same line after this double slash. Then multi-line comments. We can use slash asterisk and asterisk star to write multi-line comments. Anything written within these two are ignored by JavaScript. So let us check our example. As I have said you earlier, I have already written the program to save our time as we want to quickly complete this JavaScript course. But don't worry, I will explain you step by step, and this program also you can get the source code of this program in the resources section. Okay, so here this is used for single line comment. So after this till end of line, everything is treated as a comment. Here as I need 2 lines for this, so I used this double slash again. You can write like this, or you can use slash asterisk and slash asterisk at the first and last of the comment. So all the lines within these two will be ignored by JavaScript and treated as a comment. Let us run the program. See, only the strings written in document.write are displaying on the screen, but the other things are not displaying as they are comments. They are ignored by JavaScript.